Gentlemen in the mix.
It's time for Power Hour.
People have hurt my feelings for years. I never forget. You can't get even by playing the fiddle. If music could shoot bullets, I'd like it better.
Hello, traders. Welcome to the Sunday stream, the Daylight Savings Day stream, where we spring forward, lose an hour. We all complain about it. and it never changes. So, Bitcoin's been doing some interesting stuff this weekend. Like hitting $70,000 today at its peak. Currently trading at 68,700. That $69,000 old all-time high from November 2021 still remains a pest. But even with that being the case, market participants still finding a way to make history where yesterday, a Saturday, the highest daily candle close in Bitcoin history. A Sunday, 40 minutes remains, and with this type of price action, flip your coins. But if all stayed the same or higher on price right now in 40 minutes, it would be the highest daily candle close of all time. Saturday and Sunday. So we'll see. We have 40 minutes till that mystery is solved, and might as well just do a little poll. All right, I mean, that's a pretty good poll, yeah? All-time high, let's see. Highest daily candle close today? Question mark? That's it. Highest daily candle close today on Bitcoin? Yes or no? Again, 39 minutes and 40 something seconds till that concludes. One good thing is, despite whatever happens with that, it's certain that we will have our highest weekly candle close ever. By far, the old weekly all-time high was all-time high close was 65,505. And so just blowing the roof off of weekly closes. So I think that's pretty cool, man. Last week, we worked very, very close, but they just couldn't get it over the goal line. And this week, it is certain. I mean, like 39 minutes, unless an absolute tragic rug pull, Richard Hart Hex rug pull happens, history will be ours. Chat. No rug pulls. Because that's kind of like ZRX, amazing. Hex, inverse amazing. Sure, weekly is more significant anyway. Yeah, but it would still be cool to not just get a daily candle high close, all-time high, but also the first daily candle close in human history above $69,000. That the old all-time high. That would be really cool. So, I mean, and again, 38 minutes, anything's possible. It's just, meh. Pretty decent pullback from earlier. I mean, it was like last night I was like, am I going to have to live stream after I took a melatonin? And then somehow get drunk and drink the Bitcoin champagne? This can't end well. Thank God. Thank the market participants, it didn't happen. Zimpal, thank you so much for the $10 super chat. All-time high. Well, it's coming one way or another in terms of like closes. Maybe not the highest ever. Maybe we're not going to take out that high from March 8th. Obviously, Bobo Man Bun just not going to let it happen. He's too much of a genius for you. He's so far beyond you in your ability to trade or do anything that you're not going to break this wall. Look at him. I mean, literally look at him. That's a peak male bear pig performance. Right? Something like that.
I have some evidence man bear pig could be in this area.
Yeah, dude. No way. Bobo's going to be smiling for the rest of our lives. Okay. That was your Bitcoin. Might as well just get this crap over with. Gotta get it over with. Yeah. He rugged us. He rugged every person. But here's the thing. It's okay because It's different. There's another hex that's better than this one. But I don't understand. What about the people that like staked for 15 years in this hex? Are they okay?
$10.
Because I'm not
all-time high.
deep enough into this world to even know, because it's so stupidly complex. So did anyone in here like stake their hex on this? And if you did, can you tell us, are you okay? Did they fix it for you on the Pulse Chain one? What about the people that just, hey man, let's speculate on the markets? You're dead. I mean, stop loss triggered right there. If you were in this, remember, because it's risk management, it's like your argument collapses below certain levels. It collapsed below that level, ran straight to the next level, the lowest level seen since ever on this chart. It was an all-time low on the Uniswap chart. Oh, so it's all about the snapshot. So if people like came into this market and they're like, I want to own this, they're screwed. Yeah, okay. So certain people did get rugged. Yeah. The newer people got destroyed. Okay, that's it. Get wrecked, everybody. Go buy some more Louis Vuitton and Rolexes and Lambos. On the other side of the coin, literally, is ZRX. Jesus chimes for ZRX. Target 73 and 89. March 1st, that was the idea. Above 40 cents, 73 cents, and 89 cents, 90 cents are your targets. One's been hit today, the next one's on the way. Incredible what happens when key inflection points are breached. And that's the job, that's my job here, I guess, is to identify those things occurring. The higher lows coming in, right? There are other assets that look like that. So wonderful. No rogue pools here. Inverse rogue pools. If you think this was the last one that's going to do this, chat, on the weekly, you're wrong. There will be others that do this exact same thing. And it's probably going to be tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday. You don't know which one it's going to be. But there are ones that are set up like this. There are ones that played out like this before ZRX. One that's starting to do stuff like this is Maker on its way to 3,100. Above 1744. Look, above that level long and crazy how they pulled it back before running it. 3,100, man. It's flying. Loop ring on its way to 48 cents. Just, you know, but you're looking at the weekly here because the weekly's closing soon. Straight up and down. Okay, easy target enough, right? 48 cents. BNB, some major development today. BNB breakout. 32 minutes till it's confirmed on the weekly. I was happy with the daily. Like that daily right there, man. That's serious stuff. And on this little Bitcoin Bobo pullback, what a joke. No problems, man. BNB is like, what, 1.5% off its highs. Hey, you're about to have a confirmed breakout on the daily and weekly. Again, 32 minutes and change. And the target from here is 639 all the way up to like 690 all-time highs. You're getting there, man. Like, talk about BNB performance. You're going to go from this high to low. BNB performance. To catch up to Bitcoin, you'd need to be at 691 now. Bitcoin would be, if this was the Bitcoin chart, BNB would be hovering around $700 right now. They'd be right below 691. So you're catching up pretty fast. Breach through the 618 and heading on up to the 786, right? 582. But again, confluence, right, where you have the meeting of an actual historic level and Fibonacci is the 886, 633. So that you'd think that's common sense target up there above $500 long enough. Beautiful. Hype in the chat for CZ. They did it, man. Big change up. The new data presents itself and it's gone. Yeah, Rareable. First time looking at that in a long time. So 90% today. Link's breaking out. Is it really? It is. It really is. Well, it already broke out, right? I mean, 20 bucks was the level. Remember, $28. $27.98. $28. That's it. That's your level. All right, so if Chainlink does something that ZRX did, or one of the Bitcoin Cash, or she goes up 30% in a day or two, you can't be surprised. The level's broken, dude. This was it. It's been farting around there for a month, 4 weeks, and now it's breaking. And you're about to see the highest daily candle close in years, 2 years, beyond 2 years technically. And you're looking for the highest price in over 2 years very soon. So Chainlink's doing it right now at the end of the day in Power Hour. Here it comes. Let's just celebrate it together. A multi-year high in real time. Very close. I mean, look at it. It's just so.
How would you look at that?
All right, I've got an alert set up. So if we're making multi-year highs, we'll hear the beep. It could be any second, any minute now, based on the price action we're receiving going into close. Also, thank you so much to NDS. He tipped. I'm just gonna play it again, okay? Because he tipped in the middle of the day. You can do that if you want. If like you really want to be first on the request list. Here it is. Tipped me like 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago. My lights were going
NDS
off.
tipped $25. Hi Mitch, Atlas to USDT on Gadio, please. It is clearer than on Kraken. Do you think we had a bullish butterfly at the bottom? It blew through all the targets. Are we finished or are there more targets? Best regards from Yugoslavia. Smile.
Thanks again, NDS, man. Yeah, we did look at Atlas earlier, and there's not really much to look at outside of it. It's up against a resistance, but if it breaks that resistance that it's already tested one time, if it truly breaks, it's got 100% upside, like doubles up from $1 to $2. Nothing else there. Hold on, Chainlink, my Butler bell's about to go off on it, so we're just gonna sit here on our chairs. Please give me the beep. I need the beep in my life. We officially are at multi-year highs. It is confirmed right now. So there's your Chainlink beep. 28.98. What is it? 27.98 target from here. All right. See ya. Chainlink pumping non-stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Okay, let's just look at Ethereum real quick. Look at Bitcoin. Look at BNB. Ethereum. Okay. Just hanging out. Down 1.3%. Not a big deal. You can't have green days every day. Don't be spoiled. Don't be a crypto brat. All right. So just, yesterday was the highest daily candle. You know what? In fact, the past 4 days in a row were the highest daily candle closes seen in multiple years. Multi-year highs 4 days in a row on Ethereum. I'm cool with a red candle today. It's not a big deal. Up against the 786, I think you'll see 4,200, quite possibly 4,400, that 886 up there, confluent with an overhead resistance. That makes so much sense, right? May 2021, that intraday all-time high, along with the 886 up there. X marks the spot. Okay. We'll look at Sol real quick. You know what I learned today? This is absurd. It's stupid. And it's kind of scary. I'm a little scared. I have a position that it's been a lottery ticket. But Sol, G-Sol, which is the Grayscale Solana Trust, for some reason, it's an 870+% premium right now. So Sol, for G-Sol to be trading at like whatever you say, parity or like no premium, Sol would literally have to be at like I think $1,400, $1,410 or something beyond crazy. So what does that mean? Does that, like, I don't understand, like, what's going on? Like, are institutions doing this because they think that Sol's gonna blow up? Or is it just speculative and whatever? You know, I have no idea what it really means. And I don't really understand the whole grayscale trusts are all doing that. They're all going absurd. And I'm just not sure if they're like front running the actual spot price moonage or not. I don't know. So here's your Sol, one of your largest cryptos in the world, just sitting there right around 143, which is an overhead resistance from April 2022.
6,969. Hi Mitch, I hope all is well. Can you please take a look at Ergo? It has been consolidating for some time. Thank you.
Ice Mike 6969. Nice. Thank you for the 20. We can look at Ergo. Sure, dude. Thanks. Yes. Sol elevated up near its multi-year highs, and super perplexed about G-Sol. Remember, just it looked set up for what it's doing right now. It really did, technically. Like, unbelievable accumulation, psycho, and it's just, again, it's up hundreds, a couple hundred, a few 100% in the matter of well, not even a month, like up 160% in 15 days. But I don't know, it just looked nice in late January, early February, right around when I was in St. Barth's. That was when it was really just, it's like a major ascending triangle or something. I just don't know how high this is gonna go. You don't know. It's in price discovery. It's above $500, a major psychological resistance. What happens if it just goes to 1,000? It's crazy. Okay, so those are your bigger cryptos. There's not much market activity today. Well, it'd be Matic starting to climb now, and Matic, you know, heading to that third target of the trade setup, 130. Finally, dude. Oh my God. So Matic seeing its highest price since March 18th of last year. And again, approaching the conclusion of trade setup. Remember, when this was posted, the sentiment was terrible in crypto. So at this point, I'm thinking 130 will get broken, and we will easily see 155, 163s. They'll be tested, and you'll probably end up getting some sort of craziness, like, just because of how it is, it'll just be like, all right, yep, 886, like a big old fat bat pattern. See you at 265 on Matic, given enough time. So there you go, man. Accelerating some, and you just can't be surprised. 130 may not be that big of a deal. If you were just gonna say, all right, that's third target, fine, I'll have a fourth target. You could say the top of the harmonic, you could say the major overhead resistance, or you could say, all right, I'm gonna have a fifth target, and it's like in the 260s, 250s. All right, this has just begun, man. Okay, this has just begun. Like, remember, this is not really any different from this. Really not any different. And you see how certainly the price is trading well above the top of the harmonic that ushered in the entire trend reversal. So use your imagination here. H-bar is the same, trading well above the top of the harmonic. Matic, probably the same thing coming. So like you're looking at $2 plus on Matic. If it's just gonna, you know, they all put in, like, not all of them, but some put in the same bottoming base structures, and some are outperforming others, but others will catch up. You will see, like BNB was just down and out in the race, and look at it now, and breaking resistance. There's nothing there until the all-time high resistances. So we could catch up with Bitcoin, Ethereum real fast. It's right behind Ethereum. Ethereum's at nearly the 786. Okay, good old Matic. KNC did something amazing. It finally did it, man. It hit the top of the range. You would consider that like a first target. Yeah.
Gentlemen.
Right, remember this was like first identified in early February. Third valley, pattern completion zone of just a standard bullish bat. And now it's just up against a level where we don't know if they're going to be able to break it. Probably they will, though. Right? All this classic accumulation, the way all these others have been bottoming out, and then they just start accelerating real fast. So there is some supply, some profit taking going on around 93 to 97 cents. And once that's breached, a straight line, a straight run to 115, 121. And if they ever break 115, 121, it is $2. So this is humble beginnings on KNC, Wyckoff accumulation. Three rising valleys, above the 200. Everything's set up for, like, in the coming months, a $2 KNC. There's going to be ups and downs. There's going to be fear, drama, intrigue, but eventually $2 you'd think is a good target for the long term here. Okay. Sellers tried and they tried and all of a sudden more than before again. Failure from the sellers to test the bottom of that range. Now we're at the top. Too strong, man. Buyers are in control here. You will see.
Feel like AVAX should catch up at some point. 0.000255815 BTC.
Rob, thank you for the 1776 contribution. Avalanche is in the same category, I think, as Solana right now. In terms of like performance and consolidation time, they've been matched up very similarly. I'll get to some requests once we get done with looking at the rest of these gainers today. Ravencoin up 3.4%. You know, this is an active trade setup. That was posted in early February. It was a no-brainer. Like you buy low and buy the reconfirmation of a key level as support again. All right. And you're just still patiently waiting for Raven to see 3.8 to 4.1 cents. That's an easy target out there, but it's up today, 3.5%. You see how it's an easy freaking target? How many times they tested it up there? Yeah, that's it. CRV up 3.38%, and look what they're doing. 3-day is spectacular here. Let me show you this 3-day. They broke it, they hooked it, now they're gonna go it, right? A 3-day breakout, a 3-day back test of the old supply line, right? It was once resistance, the anchor points, and now defended as demand line, and you're holding it again on the new 3-day and starting to engulf. Waiting for 123 eventually, man. 123, they break that. I mean, yeah, like 143, 188 plus. This is humble beginnings. Remember what Filecoin did? Filecoin being like up here, H-bar being up here, Matic's well on the way. There were others too that had that same M-shaped type 2 return. This one was impeccable. I love it, man. So just only people that can make money on these are people that are patient. So I know a lot of y'all own this. You're up, but just wait, and more riches will be yours, most likely. Yeah, I looked at cake yesterday. Then that's it. Everything starts to, whatever. IOTA's up 3% or 2%, 1%. Okay, so what we'll do, we have 17 minutes till the highest weekly candle close in human history on Bitcoin. So history is upon us. Less than 17 minutes. Oh, there's Bobo. Bobo's been liquidated. Jonathan, how do you feel about the bears and the Bobos in here?
I like turtles.
There's bears out here.
Okay, well, here's a nice channel. Anchoring on the bottom, anchoring on the top, one on the bottom. Another one on the top and bottom, right? It just makes the most sense, right? If you're using this parallel channel tool, this is kind of how you might conceptualize the uptrend. It's in the upper part, right, of the uptrend, which is strong. near overbought, just constantly remaining near overbought. It's nice, man. Okay. So, what is that? No. Oh god, it's an S coin. Have I heard of this S coin? Nope. Where's all the data, man? There's all the data. Oh my god, you know what it does? To me, it looks like ZRX before Moon. I don't even know where to find all the data. I'm looking at a candle high close here and then price action correlating to it on this chart. I'm looking at a bottom 8.69 cents. And I'm looking at the identical literal bottom being put in before the test of the top of the range and then the breakout. So this 3-day chart, whatever. Yep. I mean, tell me the difference between this and Zcash. Or not Zcash, ZRX. There is really almost no difference. The range, the breakout, the strength, right? And then the pullback, the backup. And then the buyers find their footing. And there's so many more of them than there were before. And then there's nothing left to do. Not enough supply. Too much demand. You break out. So Ergo looks extremely similar to that. Okay. Here's like, maybe you look at it like this, where that's the range. You see it? I mean, how many times? That's the first time, right? They sold off. Okay, rally. Okay, a couple times they correlate, and then you can just see right here and here and here. And then this is the sign of strength. And then this is the conclusion of the backup. This is the BU. And once they break this 18-cent level, real easy 29-cent target on Ergo. 64% upside. And you won't be able to believe it, but it seems probable. Oh, Baba Booey. Baba Booey, that's 2 Baba Booeys. 2 Baba Booeys. 1 Ergo. So just pay attention. Yes. Yes. Looks Ice Mike 6969. Nice. You have 60+% upside on Ergo from here. Okay? You just do. If they break 18 cents. When they do, you'll get the same type of price action you got here. Most likely. It could be more real this time because the way the whole market conditions are, like the way, look at ZRX. Look what it's doing, man. It's is it kind of similar to AXS too? A little bit. You got this range, and then you got the freaking high or low, and it was a drag in here, but it's not different. It's confirmation of accumulation. AXS on the weekly is stupid, dude. Look at this. Well, it's breaking it's the monthly that's crazy, stupid on AX. Look at the monthly, sorry. If you just look at the monthly, like the month of April 2021, it's close and it's high. That's the zone. You can see it correlated in January 2023, February 2023. But look at it now, you got 3 weeks till the close here, but that is like a mega monthly breakout. I know you have a wick here, but again, I'm going with history. And it looks like AXS, that there is just an ungodly upside potential on AXS just due to the lack of support resistances on the way up and down. It could be unreal, AXS.
Baba Booey.
Thank you, dude. Thank you for the Baba Booeys. Man Bun doesn't care. Man Bun says, all you kids who say he should get wrecked, he's above you. He's smarter than you, and he knows it, he says. Okay? He's got RGB lights on his new sign. Yeah. What are you going to do about that? So Atlas real quick. Star Atlas. Just again for NDS. Because he did tip early today, but it started with, this is like how I'm going to use this contribution to try to help the viewing audience. Okay, so you'll see in a second. So the butterfly, that's how it all began. You didn't know. It just did. It just did. Right, a 1414, 786 lower. That's it. That's a beautiful textbook bullish butterfly. And that it was bottoming at the 1414. It can go to the 1618. Got it. And now it's just been kind of on a tear since then. But look, there's nothing here. If they break 1 cent, it is just a straight 2 cent target. That's it. It's that simple. Oh, 100% upside. It could be up 100% a day because so an S coin like this, probably. It's just all about if they can. So that's Atlas. Not much to really look at outside of the levels and talking about what happens if buyers can absorb supply at those levels because it's gone. There's no real like opportunity for you right now to swing trade this. But remember this, okay? There were multiple assets that had these harmonics. Another one, hear me out, EOS. Same type. Look what happened. But then we go and we found one unmoved, primed for you. You have a chance. Now they might put in a third valley down here, which would be even better. But I'm just telling you, right? EOS, Atlas, a multitude of others, exact same butterfly with a 1414, but this one's got like a confirmation low accumulation argument here. And I get it. You're out getting near 2618, $2.60, 1.8 cents. And then 307 here. Once they break that, easy 475, easy 640. It's a no-brainer. So like this is one where, hey man, I've missed out on so many opportunities. Well, here's one kind of staring at you, an extension pattern. Okay. APE, like the monkey, ape, like a type of monkey, ape. What does that mean? Like if they break these levels from where it is now, you have 109% upside all the way up to 180% upside. If they break that, then you got a good 217% upside. I'm sorry, that's kind of like par for the course for S coins. If you haven't noticed yet. Yes, that upside's not crazy at all here. Not lately. And the only way you'll get the move is if you're patient and you just own it. Like you can't just like, oh, I'm going to like own it today and then I'm going to sell it tomorrow because it's not moving because other things. Nope. You have to like own this thing and just sit in it. And days are going to go by and many other assets are going to keep mooning randomly. And you're just like, gosh dang, my freaking ape. But then one day, a couple weeks from now, it's like you wake up, my ape coin's up 35% today off this level because the stage is set. Band is, well, Band, man. I know some people in here own it. Band, remember the back test? Yep, on the way to 380. 369, 370, whatever, to 380. Yep. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the bullish back tests. They did it, and now they're going. And now Band is certainly sitting at the highest level seen since November 10th, 2022. And there's just really not much here. So you just wait. $380, $4 is a hard target up there.
I don't want to dream the same things 1,000 times.
Okay. Yep, Band going for the highest weekly close, yep, since May 2022. You're right, man. Things doing things. S-Coin's doing things.
$5 Canadian from Mark Trades, cut the man bun, black scissors.
Market Trades, thank you for the Canadian super chat. The man bun cannot be cut until we hear the beep. The beep would be all-time highs by 1 penny. Then we can cut the man bun. Remember, I told you, man bun rules are like the Dothraki in Game of Thrones. Where every time they defeat somebody, they grow a new, like, knot on their beard, right? But for man bun, it's like, I don't know. I feel like we would need to grow the man bun out, right? It's like the inverse, where there should be a lot more than one man bun. Every time you get liquidated or you get at that stop loss, a new man bun grows. And so he should be like Kyle Drogo with like 20 different man buns. Okay? That's the way I think it should be, the meme. Does anyone agree? Look, this man bun Bobo Soloway mashup was created here. It's now viral on the internet, on Twitter. So we get to change the rules, okay? So we add man buns. We don't cut them. It's crazy. Someone created it. They did a great job. And then someone took it from our Discord and then put it on the internet. And it's big people picked it up. Now it's got hundreds of thousands of eyes on it. And now Bobo Soloway has been born. The double top guy. Yeah. Yikes. All right, Xerex 38% now. My God. Thought that was up highs of the day. I guess it just kind of blew up a little bit. It hit 81 cents. Yeah, you will see. You will see. Oh, let's just take a look at Casper, because Casper, again, it's like if you're patient enough, you'll see 6.2 cents. But on Casper, I think if you're patient, you'll end up seeing something like 7.2, 8.4, maybe even 10 cents. Casper, the whole harmonic framework is there. Stage is set. You might get some pullbacks. It's a Bitcoin pullback. Who cares? It doesn't matter, because like whatever pullback you get on Casper, as long as wherever the buyers pivot, they come back in, it's higher than the low from February 4th. It's fine. I mean, you could very well get like a 20% pullback, and it doesn't matter. These structures are so large, and the rally's been so great that pullbacks will be fine. My God, you pull back to 4 cents for backtest, that's a trade setup. I would publish a trade setup if that ever happened. It would just require a big pullback on Bitcoin, and if the big pullback on Bitcoin doesn't happen, Casper's not gonna get a pullback to that level, like ever. So just remember, Casper is on the list of it's in the CRV category. Yeah, Honda CRV. Where the stage is set for stupid upside, life-changing upside for you if you own this and you just trust in the framework. This asset, truly, from the entry, it was 51.8 cents or something when this was published in the Patreon/Citadel. It's a trade setup. This asset is up 58% since the entry, and it's still done nothing compared to where it's really going to go, most likely. Dr. Fish. Think of the 20. We can look at Dezo, but we're going to look at AVAX first for Rob. Sorry, I didn't even do that. AVAX now down 2%. I mean, it's above $40, $39, which is, there's just 3 different peaks here. It's like, which one's real? Because they're regarding 4380 as resistance right now. So yeah, you think it's gonna catch up. You think. It's harder to trade this because I'm not really seeing anything that's like, wow, it's like a clear, concise double bottom. It's like, it's in a weird spot. You could try to like set a stop loss if you were like right now wanting the, hey, I want to take the train to $59, $60 on AVAX. The only way I could see how it would work is somehow you're like, all right, I understand that below $39, there's tremendous downside. So that's where you would set your stop loss up now. The good news is they've already scam wicked out. That was why I can't even remember which one it was. Oh yeah, for storage. That's why I posted the trade setup, because it was like, oh wow, we had like a couple scam wicks like that and they're over now. 2 of them. All right, time to post it now. So you have that at least. I've really depended on Bitcoin. It's not the best setup, but you could try. You could try to manage your risk that way. You could try. If you get stopped out, so be it. You take on minimal losses with good upside. Okay, I'm not saying it's a good or conventional trade. It's just not. It doesn't have the framework, the structures. It's got a little bit of the price action to a level, but it's like this simple. It's literally that easy. It would just be like, okay, I'll lose this much, but I'm to gain this much, risking this much to win that much. It's equitable. It's just there are way better trade setups, man, Rob. Yeah, we're at 69K, chat. What a recovery. How much is that? Bobo was already heading to the Lambo dealership. Well, $754 recovery. We have 55 seconds until history. Wow, this is serious, man. Okay, look at this. We're gonna have the highest daily candle close ever and the highest weekly candle close ever.
£20 from Saggy Dogs. Howdy, my man. Nano, USD.
Saggy Dogs. Sweat on it, mate. Thanks so much for the pounds. Go around and get some shillings and some meat pies down at the Mercy Harbor. Thank you, mate. Here it is, chat. Here it is. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the highest daily and weekly candle close in the history of civilization, man. Did you hear me? I'm in the chat. We did it. Okay. The first time in human history, yes, I will continue speaking like I'm in a cathedral. The first time in history, the candle close on the daily was above the old all-time high, was above 69K. It's never happened until right frickin' now. Do you understand how big of a deal that is? Okay. Bobo's still smiling with his greasy man bun. He thinks he's got all of you trapped. He's above you. Let us look at the weekly, the highest weekly close in human civilization, and of course, the first weekly candle close above the old all-time high, above 69K. It is confirmed. No one in the world can take it away from us. That the history happened. Yeah, they can take the price away, but I'm saying history is now. You just are living it. We're kind of living history together here now. Baba Booey. Mother of God. That was the Wombo combo, the daily and the weekly at the same time. That's freaking legendary, dude. Okay, Bitcoin just did something legendary, even though we didn't get an intraday all-time high. We did see 70K for the second time ever. First time on the 8th, second time was last night. And we're just up there, man. So what will happen? I mean, and you understand that like a plethora of S coins just made multi-year highs on their daily close, on their weekly close. Yeah, man, it's a big deal. All right, so with that new week going on, KNC's already moving a little bit. Up 2.76% immediately within seconds or a couple minutes. Testing up against that. It could be KNC's day, man. Right, where they're like, oh yeah, I forgot. There's like no supply left here. Boom, 115, 121. Boom, $2. And these legacy coins are going to end up doing what ZRX did. They're going to do what Bitcoin Cash did, Shiba, Doge. Filecoin. You'll see. KNC, man. Have your alert set up right above 98 cents because that is the magic spot. It's already at 4% on the new day and week. Oh, why is it echoing? God, this stupid app, man. All right. Sorry, you have to understand. I use hotkeys for this on my Stream Deck, and it tells me that it's normal. But then I go to the app and it doesn't work. But sometimes it does work. That's what makes it stupid.
On Uniswap, the second one you see in TradingView on the 4-hour, please. FIB targets to the upside. The funniest Twitter videos for a meme coin I've ever seen. 0.2365659 LTC.
Balkan Dwarf, thank you for the Litecoin contribution. Keck to Wrapped Ways. Wow. We have some more requests we got to look at, but I'll be sure to do that. I'll try, you know how it is at trying. Deso, Decentralized Social, still looks good to me, man. Wow, I can't believe they got this thing propped up still. Chainlink, oh my god, dude. Chainlink multi-year highs as I'm speaking to you. It's probably not this, but it still seems real. All right, this one kind of reminds me a little bit of like Avalanche. Okay, just sideways consolidation and a newly established uptrend, and probably coiling for $52, $73 eventually. It's fine, but I don't think it's a classic accumulation. It's very murky. It doesn't have to be that, dude. It doesn't really have to be a pattern. It's just consolidation, and it is in an uptrend, so that's good.
Hi Mitch man, can we look at high/USDT? Looks like bat pattern with 3 rising valleys. Shout out Cosmic Surfer man.
High? No, we looked at high, but it was HAI. It wasn't HIGH. See, they're ripping off high, the legendary setup. We will look, Arabian Pleb. Thank you for the 20. Yeah, Deso, just range bound, okay, man? You're seems like you're fine. It does seem coin flippish, like short term, like nothing impending, like it's time to go now, but still coiled up and converging, bullish convergence, I guess. And yeah, if the all stays as it's been going, we don't get a major reversal on Bitcoin, then you're probably 51 and probably 73 in time. It's been flatlining. Thanks, Dr. Fish. Nano, oh man, it's been a while since I've looked at Nano. It got delisted from like everything. You don't even care what exchange? Nano connects. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, mega breakout. Nano to 287 soon. And it's great. Man, I forgot it existed. But dude, if you would have been requesting this just a few days ago, it could have been a trade setup. Look at this thing. Like it was just all back testing this level as support. It's like Zcash, a stronger form, or not Zcash, I keep saying that, ZRX. It's like almost indiscernible pullback. So much demand. Now again, straight up, straight down, up, down. Okay, 287, you see why that's the target eventually. Big boy target, yeah. Very nice here. Harmonic wise, it was just literally, again, the ZRX world. Okay. More upside, lots more. Have your alert set up. If you ever broke 287, 323, that candle low close with the wick there. Makes sense. Above that, shoot. I guess like 530 plus, but yeah, a lot of upside. That's all I can tell you. Above 131 moon. Like, hey man, above this level, 116 to 135% upside. Yes. Major breakout. And look how the back test happened too. You just got to see the candle closes too. It was one time and then two, the bottom and the top of the zone. That's gorgeous price action. Very strong. Okay. Just saying. It was a request, man. Saggy dogs, there you go, man. All right, we're going to look at this other one. Keke, Cook, the Balkan Dwarf. Are you advocating for your own coin, dude?
10 Australian dollars from Nick Haslam, daily and weekly close below
Meh.
69k
Nick.
on Binance.
In the mix.
Who cares? Do I look like I'm from Asia, dude? I'm from America. And Coinbase is America's exchange. Where all the institutions custodying their custodians. Coinbase. That's all that matters to me. Okay, but cool. All right, everyone. Nick just completely raining on our parade. All right. There you go. Here's Nick from Australia. Mate. Thanks a lot, dude. Wrecked. Thank you, dude. Seriously. Joking aside, whatever. Oh! Oh my god, I haven't done... Oh man, it's been a while since I've used some of these. Dude, I can't wait till we're at all-time high so I can turn on the Jesus beams. The heavenly Jesus beams. Thank you so much, Jesus, for the beams, man. Oh wait, holy crap, dude. Mezzo has never seen this because he didn't exist in this community. Wait, where is it? No. I guess I lost it. Huh. What the heck? I guess it's gone, man. That sucks. I'll figure it out later. Oh! Where's my hurricane? Why is it not showing up? Oh, okay, I get it. Because it's there. It's here. It's my satellite imagery hurricane PNG. Oh, look out. Nano's gonna pump. All right. What was the next request? Nano looks like to moon. Oh yeah, the whole Keke thing. We're about to do it. C6 405. All right, here we go. Like I care, but yeah. Here are your levels, I guess. Yep, if they ever break 7120. All right, see it 14.4. Whatever that level is. Above that, who knows? Sure. They're going to go test the level again. I don't know if they're going to break it. If they do, yeah, there's your target. Double it. Oh, you want fib targets to the upside? I mean, dude, what you want me to really fib that scam week? That's so BS. It's not even real. Like, good God, I'm gonna go like we're just normal. High to low here. Okay, you already hit a 144. It's so scammy. 1618, 11994, 2618, 19,000, 3618, 26,000, 4236, 30,000. Okay. There is your S coin that in normal market conditions would have never, ever been requested. Thank you. High, another asset that would have never in a million years been requested in normal market conditions. But here we are in extremely abnormal market conditions. It looks good though. It looks like they're probably about to send this thing to wherever. And there's your bottom. Here's your top. It certainly looks like it. Yep. If they break that, it's an easy test right here. Right back where you mooned to begin with. Yeah. So if it breaks 257, you got an easy target for 442, 465. If they ever break that, mother of God. Depending on how aggressive you are with the wicks. There you go. 861 after that. Yep. It was definitely a bullish bat pattern. I've never heard of this in my life. But you should have requested it a long time ago. Or like at least somewhat. It's better than, whatever. But it's crazy how, it just sat here at the 886, right? for so long. The bat. Okay. It's the bat pattern that's ushering in the entire trend reversal. So you know what? If the bat's going to do what all the other bats did that ushered in complete cycle trend reversals, yep, 440 plus and then 860. There's your upside. So from where it is right now, eventually 80, let's just say 90% upside, and then after that 267% upside on high. High is about to get high as a kite. If this M shape does what all the other ones have been doing, sure. Look how you can see there is demand. You can see it, higher lows more than before. It's almost like 1, 2, 3. It's almost you could identify through rising valleys on this one. It's almost like 1, 2, and then 3. And it's like, wow, you actually have classic accumulation. High, again, 100 to 250% plus upside on high eventually. Have your alert set up above 257. We hear the beep together. It's going to be a party. Everyone's going to get high. And guess what? The target date, 420, of course. Target's getting hit by 420.
Is that a joint?
That's it. It's all fun and games. It's all a joke, scam, until these structured developments occur, and then moon. All right, that was the last request. Get wrecked, everybody. This is the daily time frame. Oh, oops, sorry. That's probably loud. Okay. On the new day, on the new week, we have some assets that are up slightly. Storage up a little bit. Storage is a trade setup. It's this year just waiting for 124 to 129. Above that, $2. Comp's up. It's already broken out. Like, the comp's crazy, dude. If you look at the weekly, this is stupid. Do you get it? Look what they did 2 weeks ago. Broke out with a candle close confirmed on the weekly. Then last week, what happened? A bullish back test. Now what? What was once a support from November of 2020 has been reconfirmed as support again. So an easy 110 target, but give me a break, man, 170 plus. Then we're talking 250. Like, there is stupid upside on comp, okay? Stupid.
$5.20 from Bet 1 then Bet 2. CPI Mom 0.4% expected. Core CPI Mom 0.3% expected. CPI Yeah 0.3% expected. Lenient to meet or beat expectations. Looking bullish. Numbers on Tuesday.
Bet 1 then 2. Thank you so much. Who cares what they expect? It's all bull crap, dude. It's all manipulated. It doesn't matter. What's CPI? Just go grocery shopping. Go to a restaurant. Go try to have a good or service provided for you by a company, and then compare it to a few years ago. And that's what it really is. Thank you. So it seems like the poll, 900 of y'all participated, and it was. 70% of y'all were correct. 29% of y'all were wrong, because it was the highest daily candle close in human history and the first candle high close above the old all-time high literally ever. So historic of a day. Thanks for being here, everyone. If you are here, there are 1,141 of y'all here. Welcome. It's the first time I've looked. 384 likes. We can get 420 likes because of the high coin, you know.
$4.99 from Andrew 2. Snow trip was epic. Almost as epic as that high chart chat. Cheers all. Thanks Mitch.
Andrew, thank you.
Chicken Wizard tipped $25. Can you look at $Inu?
Chicken Inu. Chicken Wizard, thank you for the something Inu. Corgi Inu, probably. All right, it's the dumber the thing is, the higher it's gonna fly, right? Sorry, my music was loud. No one even said anything. What's wrong with y'all? Okay. So on the new week, get wrecked. Bobo's laughing at all of you. Bobo says he is superior than all of you. He says sign up for his trading courses. All right. Looks like you're going to have to. I guess that was it. That was the next request, right? There wasn't another one. Hype for that. Bet 1 and 2. Peanut butter connect. Thank you, dude. Wow. Is there like a chart with more data or something? Probably not. I mean, like, what do you want, dude? It doesn't even matter. Like, okay. On, I think it's, is it cock? Inu? Coke Inu? What is a COQ? How do you even pronounce that? Anyone? There was a time to maybe look at it where it was like, dang, dude, the higher low got put in. What? But now, who cares? You can't sell. You cannot send crypto for super chat. Don't let anyone think you can. You just go to stream. Look in the description, and it's called Altcoin if you actually want to send crypto. That's how you do it, and it goes through the TTS and all that. CoQ Inu. CoQ. All right. So maybe wait for back test. I don't care though. It's just somebody. I can't even believe it. I really appreciate the $25 contribution, man. I just can't believe you're requesting it. You know. I just think about it like, hopefully people are sending the 25 and they're like, this is 99% just to contribute to 100% crowdsource community, and it's only 1% seriousness on me actually analyzing CoQ Inu. That was it, man. That was the last request. We do, man. Okay. I guess this, but then really this. You do that, and you got divergence. All right, let's manage our risk appropriately after they confirm a bottom. But until then, I just don't care. I don't care. Bobo double top coming in hot. Everything down now. Getting wrecked. Oh, wait. We didn't even look at big time today. We have to look at big time. How did it do? That was a nice little indecision candle. After the beauty we saw on the 9th. That's no big deal. You just wait, dude. 80 cents, $1, 119, 145, and then probably stupidly $2 because it's a joke, because it's crypto. And even targeting for a 2618 is just not good enough. So, yep. This is it. This is the dream team. You know, this asset is up like 30+% since the entry of that trade setup. You want to see something crazy that happened? So the 12-hour Gaussian channel was awesome, but look at this. The daily flipped green on the 7th before the breakout. And so you just wait, man. There's going to be a lot more green where that came from. Doing little things, man. You greedy mother. Like, it's just the beginning. And you're just not patient enough to understand. But you will learn. And you will be the one buying when we sell. Easy Street, they do. Of course they do. Look at the people questing, man. Not enough data, not weekly, man. But it was the 12-hour that was so amazing. It was like, this is a dream. This is a dream, man. It was just sitting there. Like, it was March 6th when this was like posted on. I posted this on Twitter. I never post on Twitter, but I was like, you know what? This one's so good that it needs to be shown to the world outside of the community. So just wait, man. Even with Bitcoin pullback, and it's not gonna be a big deal, man. Okay, most likely. All right, everything's getting wrecked now. Except KNC. Is it KNC's day? Could be. You never know. Link's up 1.2, 1.3%, and everything else pretty much crap. Neo's up 1.5% now. DFN's up 4%, but it was down 10% yesterday. Meh.
$7.77 from Rob. Didn't realize you changed requests back to $20. Bull market confirmed. Ankr if you feel like it.
Well, we did. You didn't meet the minimum with 1776, but I still looked, right? So Ankr if I feel like it. We'll go by the honor system, man. We'll do the honor system. Get wrecked. Bobo says you're all getting liquidated. You're all screwed. Double top. Here's one top. Here's double top. You're never going to hear the Hey song again. Yep. Here's Ankr. That, remember, the same harmonic, type 1, type 2. It's just starting to get going now. It's just accelerating some. So you're in between 4.2 cents, 5.8 cents. I figured that would be a target. You know, whatever, 5.7 to 5.8. If they ever break that, easy 7.
If you had a Bobo for the tip jar, that would be funny.
I could do that. I could do a Bobo for the tip jar. We could change it from the COVID one, where it's like a $3 contribution. We could fill the tip jar with Bobos. Be hilarious. Would it be Man Bear? Or sorry, not Man Bear. Man Bun Bobo? Is that what you would want in the tip jar? Get wrecked, everyone. As I'm speaking to you, Bitcoin's at its lowest lows we've seen all week. At its lowest lows we've seen all day, all hours. It's nothing burger in actuality. So what is it? What does it look at, Rob, besides 5.8, 7.7, 8.3 cents? Above that would be like 10.3 cents. Above that, 11 cents, because the high there, it just starts getting, you probably want to go the weekly for like insane targets, but this is it. Who cares? You get a 40% pullback here. It doesn't mean it's not going to reverse the trend. It's already a bullish trend. It drops down to 3.1 cents. My God, time to DCA. And eventually you'll probably get this like you are on all these other ones. Ankr. The whole trend has reversed. And it started with what? The harmonic and the type 2 return. And it all happened at a key resistance from August 2020. Look at that. Impressive. Very nice. You will be, Mesogamma. You will be. Man Bear Pig with Bobo Bun. Man Bun. Bear Pig. Seems like the most accurate, you know? Man Bun Bear Pig. Yeah. I don't know. Should we have him like, should it be like a GIF? Like of his eyeballs like freaking out? Like how would we animate it for the jar so it's not just a picture of him? We could certainly do, I could do a picture right now, but we could make it to where it's kind of like a little more interactive, a little more fun. For the jar, just need ideas, you know? We could always add things to the tip jar anytime. I just haven't really added much because we built so many different variations. There's not really been a need. But yeah, I feel like the China virus GIF needs to be changed now. I think I might change. I don't know. I love when Trump says China to me, China, but we could change it to the man bun guy saying he's reinitiating a short or something. You know, that'd be hilarious. Oh, R Pink, he can't be just upside down. It's like it's gonna fall in the jar. He might be upside down. He might be right side up. Don't change them, bro. I can change one. Again, the COVID virus isn't really relevant anymore. It's the freaking flu. It was a scam in a lot of ways. It was a cash grab for mega pharma companies and governments using it as an excuse to tyrannize citizens. So oh yeah, Colonel Crypto, we could do that. I just need sound clips. If anyone could send me an MP4 in a Discord message of that, of what you would want, that'd be perfect. Total at the lowest lows we've seen all day, all week, all hours. Win bids, chat. Asia selling. Only people that buy Bitcoin now are the Saudis in Wall Street, bro. Roy, don't even start with that garbage, dude. Who gives a crap? Okay, there's your Ankr. Is there anything else? No? Okay, and say still up, link barely up. Yeah, man, it's all like whatever. It's like whatever now. Dude, gold's up on the new week, man. Yeah, bro. Look at gold. March on up to 2200, 1272. Nothing but bids coming in on gold. Maker is not up today. Not on mine. Must have a weird one. No, it's down like 3.45%. What's the problem? What's the deal? Jonathan got shown. Huh? Completely ignored. No. No one was completely ignored. Brad. Like, show me when it happened. Like, it's not in my log. Not in my log, dude. At all. And then it stops. Ice Mike was what? No. NDAS or NDS was the first of the day. GBTC is king, man. All-time highs. Highest close ever on Thursday and Friday. Easy Street, what are you doing, man? Why? What are you saying? Be sure to join the Discord if you haven't. The Discord. Why would you not join the Discord? It's where the conversation here continues when this live stream inevitably ends. Nah, GFYN, KNC, Unibot's now up 3% randomly. Unibot, oh, I forgot to say, Unibot Kang, man. Unibot, like, to 200 soon. This thing, and you know, unless they pull a Richard Hart and just rug it, I mean, 200, it has set the frick up for way higher prices. The stage is set, man. I'm telling you, like, give it a few months. I don't know how long it'll take, but 150 and 200. Yep. Nothing more I can say. Hey, Stealth Arts, literally right now. Thank you so much for re-upping, man. That's 2 months now. Thank you so much for the 2 months of support in the premium Discord/Citadel, where you can join at any time during the month for that. So thank you so much, dude. I really, really appreciate it, man. Trade setups, education, access to the premium Discord chat, but above all, you are supporting a 100% crowdsourced stream, not just me, but also my team. Unibot, you've been warned. Storage now at 1.9%. You're just all over the place, man. Sometimes they're pumping, they're dumping, they're oh. Yep, storage 124. You're just waiting, dude. Just wait. You're in it, you wait. Vision, I don't know. You gotta talk to Brad. Brad, you got any resolution there? I have no idea. I'm gonna delegate that stuff. All eyes on Bitcoin? Yeah. Man Bun Bobo says double tap. Yeah, besides history, I mean, besides the highest daily candle close, highest weekly candle close ever, besides Bitcoin closing above the November 2021 all-time high for the first time in human history on the weekly and daily, nothing going on really. Sorry, I mean, if that's not good enough for you, what do you want? That's incredible. If we were in Mania, there'd be like 3,000 plus people watching that. The chat would be losing its mind, but it's not like that. It's so weird that we're up so high and it's so like calm. I mean, you know, outside of a few like weird S-coin requests that comes and goes, it's the hype is mild. Oh, I've seen some S, dude. I've been here for the bottoms and the tops of multiple cycles. Here, in this, sitting in this chair, live on stream. I've seen it. So when I tell you, when we're at a big top, it's not like this. It's not this calm. What about Link? It's down way off its highs today. KNC though, still up a little over 3%, up against some major resistance. If they break this resistance, my God, it's way higher. Nothing else to see, man. I'm looking and it's just, okay. Lonely bull market, kind of, a little bit. Maybe true. Doggin. That's true. People got burnt really bad last cycle. I could imagine. But so the thing is, they've already missed so much. Like, the amount of money made since October is like, I mean, I don't know about you. I've made more money this time than I did in 2020. And apparently it's not even over, really. Yeah, look, we just keep selling off. Bobo owns you. Bobo says double top. He probably saying triple top. We're initiating short now.
Hey Mitch, you're the best. Could we look at Sushi Swap? Your thoughts? 25.46473135 Sushi.
Jean-Pierre. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup in the chat. Wow, tipping me with sushi as well. Wow, thank you for the $50 of sushi. Holy crap. Yeah, we'll go now. Sushi Swap though. Oh, wait. I don't know, man. Is it the same? I got it. We're cool. Yeah, Sushi Swap kind of like broke out. Like 167, 187. You're like above that. I think like any pullback's going to be a higher low than $1. That was the time to really give a crap about. If you cared about sushi and traditional technical analysis and spring back tests, the time to care for real was January 5th all the way to the 20th. You had kind of like 3 weeks, close to 3 weeks to long an asset, formally back testing a spring, right? So since then, what a run. So you're just up high, no strategy involved with taking along now. It's just kind of FOMOing, but if they keep the price above 167 to 187 long enough, 276, 363, $5. Okay. It's been destroyed, but they're turning the ship around. In at 75 cents, well, then you're good. You're solid. You got nothing to worry about. Even if Bitcoin wrecks the show and we see some sort of stupid pullback, I mean, it could fall below 167 as long as wherever the buyers come back in, it's higher than before. It's the trend. You're in a new trend. You're in an uptrend, not a downtrend anymore. So eventually that, maybe something like that. Okay, Sushi Swap, solid right now. Like many others. Well, I can't believe it. Just not really, it doesn't show the framework for upside. The framework where we look for risk management. Okay, Jean-Pierre tipped, and it's like, wanted to look at this, and again, the time to really care about it, for anyone in here, they would be looking to long as close to 93 cents to 104 as they possibly could have, okay? That was the time to long. Strategically, with risk management involved. Now, Rudy Poo. Thanks again for the 50. The 50 of Sushi Swap. So you're making me FOMO a little bit. We can make Bobo blink. Sure. Harry Potter hit all the targets. Sadly, I'm supposed to do a Harry Potter stream at some point. I don't know when I'm going to do it. Got to face the music at some point. But we do have to. I mean, if we're going to face the music, we're going to look at it together. All right, chat. Here it was. It was that fateful day, February 26th. Someone requested it for the memes, and it was like, look. Gosh dang it, Bitcoin. Stop sucking. All right, Bobo's taking over. But look, there it was. The framework was there, undeniably, for risk management on Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu coin. It was set up, and it's like, you know what? We'll just do it for the sake of education, even if you're not going to go long on it. This is what you want any asset you're ever going to long to look like. Talk about momentum shift, buyers recapturing, redefending, key levels as support, inverse head and shoulder stuff. classic bullish divergence stuff at the support. It was prime, and then it was gone, and all 3 targets have been hit. They were hit, they were exceeded, I know, but whatever. You're currently trading right at that 3rd target. It was perfect. Literally perfect. Doesn't matter if it's meme coin, whatever. Traditional technical analysis can be applied to any asset. You know, I can't predict if the creator of the asset's going to literally rug pull, but, you know, looks like Hogwarts Dumbledore did not rug pull like some other obese coin creator did today. Very, very fat. Okay, everything's slipping into the red outside of Unibot, KNC. Link's about to go red. TRX green, but about to go red. Everything's about down today. Get wrecked, Bitcoin, on the new week. Asia doesn't know how to buy. They don't think they have the money to buy Bitcoin at these levels. They can only sell. Expecto Patronum Connect. Exactly. 68.3. What a joke. Yikes. Big yikes. No bids going into the new week. It was literally immediate. It was immediate. There was no bids. So here we are. Here's Bobo. Here's one top. Here's Bobo's double tap. No, Matthew, no. Okay, but look, man, we've been live an hour and a half now, over an hour and a half, technically. And, I don't know, we were here for history. It's been captured, it's been screenshotted, we got the receipts. It was spectacular, though bittersweet-ish, too. But yeah, whatever's happening up here. What if we get a red day? Who cares, man? What if we go to 65K? Who cares long term? Institutions are they're not going to just stop buying Bitcoin now. I hope you understand they're not done. It doesn't matter what the price does. It's not relevant. Remember when it wasn't relevant down here for what Bitcoin does? Its purpose, it wasn't relevant here. It wasn't relevant here. It wasn't relevant here. It's not relevant here. Okay, Bitcoin. One of the greatest inventions of all time. Okay. The financial instrument that will eventually separate money from state. The printing press was what was needed for man to separate church from state. This is the printing press of its own. It's just 2024. I need to eat dinner or something. Remember the thing you gotta do every night? Yeah. Okay, I don't like this song, man. Getting a little freaked out here. All right. So I think we're good. A good analysis of what we've been looking at. There are gonna be, you won't believe it, tonight there will be some assets that go up 30 to 50%. Maybe the next day, the next 24 hours, there's going to be 1 or 2 of them probably. If the selling doesn't really get out of hand, right? Where it's, oh yeah, we go down to 68 and then the wick and then the bids come in. Yeah, like if it's not like a cataclysmic type of day like we saw March 5th, you're going to see some altcoins and you don't know which ones they are, but they're going to be up ungodly amounts in a very short period of time. You will see. So thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Be sure to join the Discord if you haven't. Here's the Discord link again. Yeah, about 15,000 active members, and we keep it real in there. All about the TA. So I'll see y'all in the general chat. Until next time, respect the TA.